Have you ever wondered what happens when you rub VICKS VapoRub on your feet? You might be surprised to find out that this common household item has some unexpected benefits. VICKS VapoRub, a popular mentholated ointment, is typically used to relieve coughs and congestion, but applying it on your feet, particularly before bedtime, can have a unique set of effects. It's a simple process that begins with you opening a jar of VICKS VapoRub. Smell the strong menthol scent, a key ingredient that plays a crucial role in its effectiveness. Slip on a pair of comfortable socks after applying the VapoRub. This not only prevents the ointment from rubbing off onto your sheets, but also helps to lock in the benefits of the VapoRub as you sleep. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does this do? Well, the menthol in VICKS VapoRub helps to stimulate blood circulation in your feet. This increased circulation can help with a variety of issues. It can soothe tired, aching feet after a long day. It can also help to alleviate symptoms of common foot problems like athlete's foot and fungal toenails. Moreover, the comforting scent of VICKS VapoRub can aid in relaxation and help you drift off to a good night's sleep. To recap, applying VICKS VapoRub on your feet before bed has multiple benefits. It increases blood circulation, alleviates foot pain, combats fungal infections, and can even help you sleep better. It's a simple, cost-effective method that can have surprisingly beneficial effects. So, the next time you're struggling with foot pain or just looking for a good night's sleep, consider reaching for that jar of VICKS VapoRub. Who knew that such a common household item could have such extraordinary uses? It just goes to show, sometimes the best solutions are the simplest. Now that you've learned about the amazing benefits of VICKS VapoRub for your feet and how to apply it, we hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, especially those who could benefit from this simple yet effective remedy. And if you're interested in more health and wellness tips like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll be updated with our latest videos and health hacks. We're always looking for ways to help you lead a healthier, happier life, so whether you're battling with foot pain, having trouble sleeping, or just looking for general health advice, we've got you covered. Remember, the simplest solutions are often the best, and we're here to help you uncover them. Stay tuned and stay healthy.